Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a very special guest here with me. I
Hi.
have the very lovely Larissa here with me. Finally! I know, right? And so today we are going to do a video on the unspoken beauty areas, things that everyone does but no one wants to talk about. If you can't already tell from the name, this video is going to talk about or address to excess hair removal, periods, boobs, body odor. And why do boobs make you laugh?
I don't know. So this is the reason you're making this video. Okay?
Exactly.
And just to make ourselves comfortable, boobs,
Boobs,
periods, blood, tampons.
See, you guys can say it out loud as well.
So wherever you are right now, scream
out loud. Tampons!
pads, periods. Oh my god.
I think let's start with hair first.
Yeah,
So, what do you do with your excessive hair? Do you have excessive hair?
I don't really have excessive hair, fortunately.
Oh my god, how lucky.
But I don't wax.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't wax. I think even she doesn't know.
Yeah.
And I shave my hands and legs and my underarms as well. So
Are you serious?
yeah, I only shave.
Dude, how can you shave your underarm? Doesn't it like come out pokey?
Maybe it does, but
But do you
then
shave every single day?
I shave like every alternate day.
Oh my god, yes. So I
It
have.
gets a little pokey and all after a while. It becomes like something's poking me. But then I prefer shaving because when you wax, you have to wait for like so long to go back to the parlor or to the salon or wherever. Or maybe if you're doing it on your own, if you're using what are this called? Waxing strips. Yeah. I don't prefer that as well because I've tried it and I don't like it. Waxing gets so messy. So
Yeah?
no
Which
waxing.
razor do you use?
I use the Gillette Satin Care.
Oh, the blue one, right?
Yeah,
the cute one, right?
Yeah, it looks really cute. So I
Yeah.
love it. And then
It's in my favorite color actually.
yeah, and this is one important thing. What I do is I apply conditioner on my
Yeah.
body, and then I shave my hands or whatever. And I've even gotten compliments saying your hands are so smooth. So shaving doesn't really make your skin dark or anything. I think it's just a myth because
Yeah.
it's not done anything to my skin and it remains really smooth. So
And you can even use olive oil or coconut oil.
yeah.
It works really well.
Yeah.
Just clean your blade really well after you use, or else it can get blunt really soon. So what I like to do is wax. I have really dry skin, so if I shave, my skin starts itching really soon. I wax like every 2 weeks, and I wax my legs, I wax my hands, and I wax my underarms. I think that's the best. And have you ever?
I think that's the best, but then I don't prefer that because I'm so impatient. So
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, and I'm too scared of razoring myself because I've had like a lot of itchiness. Like in my arms, it's no problem. Like I can shave my arms, but I cannot, for the love of God, shave my legs. So,
I only shave my legs. I don't remember the last time I waxed my legs.
so, and I've also tried using epilators in the past.
Okay, so how I have never.
It was pretty painful. I used the Philips one, and I got it off of Flipkart. It was pretty painful when I first did it
Okay.
because it's like 1,000 tweezers plucking your hair at the
Oh
same
my
time.
god.
So it's like kind of like waxing,
Okay.
but and then you get used to the pain, so it's okay.
Uh-huh.
So and I did it. It was quite nice, but the epilator that I bought was like the cheapest one, so it used to take a lot of time.
Okay.
And then suddenly I was like, shit, I don't want to do this anymore. So and I used to do, then I stopped doing my hands and leg with it, and then I just do my underarms. And then you're supposed to change the tweezer blades every few months or something. Then I was like, not doing this anymore. Do you have any advice for people who have more hair maybe in your face? Like we don't have excessive hair on our
I
face.
don't really have excessive
Yeah, me
hair on my
neither.
face.
Like I've never done the upper lip thing also.
I do my upper lips. I get it threaded. If
Oh.
that's the word.
Yeah, I know a lot of people bleach them, but I don't really like that.
When I started, like when I first noticed that I have like not excessive hair, but then I had some hair on my face. Obviously, everybody has facial hair. But when I first noticed that, my mom suggested that I use bleach.
Oh my god, I think
Yeah.
that's what people did back then.
Yeah, and so I use bleach, but then my mom also told me that you're not supposed to use it very often because you know, it doesn't. I don't know. I think it gets a lot of pigmentation
yeah, it
problems
does
on your
that.
skin.
Yeah.
So,
spoils
so
your
bleaching is not really advisable.
Yeah.
I don't like waxing either because that
It's
pulls your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you get your wrinkles very quickly.
Yeah, and it also gives out the small bumpy rashes.
Yeah. So what I don't generally bleach or wax my face. I only do my upper lips because otherwise I look like a mongoose. and then I do my eyebrows. I thread my
even
eyebrows.
I thread my eyebrows as well.
The other day she told me I needed to do my eyebrows really bad. So don't tell me I look cute when I look like a mongoose.
But I never commented on your the stash. Achha, anyways, so moving on, I think we should talk about periods right now. I'm really excited about talking about periods.
Let's talk about periods.
Periods!
Periods.